everyone, so I just wanted to pop in and show you a few of my current creations, and I am already starting to lose some of my mojo. Hopefully I'll get some back. But yeah, so you guys saw the original large teapot. Then I made this little cutie, a smaller version, and it has the little teacup that goes with it, but I haven't put on the faces yet. And so today I made a pink one. So it's coming up as white, but this is actually baby pink. So this is pink and red. It has the handle and the spout in the gingerbread color. And yeah, so it came out really cute. I like the way this color combo looks. It just looks so cute. You can also use this again in a shabby chic room or for Valentine's Day. So I really love this color combo. I think it's actually a good idea to have these colors. So yeah, let me see if I could maybe add a piece of paper behind it so you can get a better look at what it looks like. So I don't know if I'm going to put a face like this or if I'm going to paint the face on. So I would like for you guys to let me know in the comments if I should paint the face or add beaded eyes and the beaded cheeks. Also, I have this little cutie. Let's see if I could make some space for her. She's just so adorable. Love her. She has some little pink socks and little bow and her little dress, and of course little bow up here and bows on her sleeves. And I think I might add either a heart button here or a pom-pom. I'm not sure yet. And again, I don't know if I should paint the face or put a face like this. So let me know in the comments. If someone is interested in her, they can choose whether they want a painted face or the beaded face. So, and then this cutie is still here. I'm surprised nobody has snatched him up yet. I think he's just so stinking cute. I don't know. I guess he's just gonna have to stay with me this year if no one snags him up. I think he came out cute. So yeah, so these are some of the currents that I have. I am working on a couple of more, and then I think I'm going to take a break and move on to some gnomes because I want to send someone a little gnomey. So might make some gnome plushies. And I did also make this cute little, and my daughter took out the straw, but there's a straw that goes here. I have to glue it in. Made this cute little cup. It's so cute. It's gonna go with one of the gingies, so that could be extra decoration. Sometimes I like to add a piping bag or a flour or sugar bag, so we'll see if I have time. We'll send out some gingies with some extra little goodies. I also have something else. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna leave the camera right here so you can look at his face. I'll grab something else. And I do have this wall decor that is also in pink, and he does have a piping bag and a flower bag. Piping bag that's gonna go in his hands, and a flower bag might go in this corner here. But yeah, this is a wall. This is a baking sheet pan. I don't know what you call it, and it just came out so super cute. I was gonna say stupid, sorry. TV. All right guys, so I'm just gonna call it quits for now. I'm a bit exhausted, and I hope everybody have a great Thanksgiving Day tomorrow. Make lots of memories. And yeah, bye.